Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to make little semolina and coconut cookies. Let's get started! I'll start by cracking 3 eggs into a bowl. I add 180 grams of powdered sugar. Of course, you can use a little less if you want. I whisk well until the powdered sugar dissolves properly. Then I add 2 packets of vanilla sugar. I grate the zest of a lemon. As you will see, these are quick cookies and especially easy to make with basic ingredients and no equipment at all. I mix well. Next, I'm going to add 70 ml of oil. I use sunflower oil. You can use any neutral oil. After mixing well, I'm going to start adding the coconut little by little. I used a total of 250 grams. The coconut should be good quality, especially unsweetened. When it starts to thicken, I put down the whisk and continue with a spatula to make it easier to mix. I continue with the semolina, which I add gradually. I also add a 7-gram packet of baking powder. For the semolina, it's the same amount as the coconut, so 250 grams in total. We use fine semolina, that's very important. I add the semolina, mixing well each time because the absorption depends on the quality of the semolina and the coconut, so it's possible that you might need more or less semolina. That's why we go slowly. To make sure the dough is ready, you should be able to form small balls that hold together easily without sticking to your fingers. Then I let the dough rest for 10 minutes. After this, I can start shaping my little cookies. I start by taking a bit of dough, I form a ball with it, and then I gently flatten it. Of course, we try to make sure all the cookies are the same weight and shape. I coat the top of the cookie. I dust it with powdered sugar and place it on the baking tray lined with parchment paper. I space the cookies well on the tray because they will spread while baking. With these amounts, I was able to make 32 cookies. I put them in the hot oven at 180 degrees C on the top rack for 15 minutes. However, when you take them out of the oven, you'll need to let them cool completely before handling them because they might break. Baking them on the top rack will give you that beautiful crackled effect. And there you go. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you did, as always, don't forget to comment, like, and share the video. See you soon!